Murky hallways, mysterious ingredients, bloody chopping blocks, masked enforcers. It's Halloween, and 4 competitors are facing what could be one of the scariest challenges of their lives.
I've never cooked a lamb heart before. My heart sinks.
Malted milk balls, processed junk. What are you gonna do with it? I'm just putting them off to the side, and I'm gonna worry about that later.
I am losing my garlic, and sometimes my mind.
Well, this basket is like a trick-or-treat bag for a vampire with the sweet tooth.
Then one has to come up with a recipe that's Halloweenish.
Well, the pumpkin helps.
There are 3 rounds: appetizer, entree, dessert. Now, for this special competition, we're asking that your meals have a Halloween theme. Each course in the meal comes with its own basket of mystery ingredients. You must use every ingredient in the basket in some way. If your dish doesn't cut it, you will be chopped. So, if you dare, please open your baskets. And for the appetizer course, we have canned pumpkin, malted chocolate balls, pie crust, and lamb hearts. You will have exactly 20 minutes. And time starts now.
Gun.
I want to display the lamb heart in a whole fashion. Then I see the canned pumpkin, and I immediately think pumpkin pie tart. I add shallots, thyme, maple syrup to the pumpkin puree, and I baste it onto the pie crust, and I pop it in the oven.
I know what goes good with lamb heart. Bacon, capers, mustard. That's gonna save me because I know I can cook some lamb heart.
I'm cooking and the dumpling diva takes over. I'm gonna make a dumpling out of this. My creativity comes through in the cooking because it's just a natural part of who I am.
This last Halloween, I got to dress up like a sexy, buxom nurse. I'm gonna try to make my food sexy, just like Halloween is. I'm making a braised lamb heart ragu with chocolate-spiced pumpkin puree.
Oh, pie pastry, looking dark. Nothing smells more like failure than burnt pie pastry.
1 minute left, chefs.
Ted, wait a minute. Not ready yet.
A little al dente dough.
The vibe in the kitchen is intense. We're just like, attack this, let's go at it, give it your best.
Oh my God.
Alrighty.
Friendly Halloween warning: if you don't finish these plates, it might haunt you forever. And 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. Please step away. Chef Maria, please tell the judges what you've made.
I've made a little trick-or-treat dumpling with curried-flavored pumpkin and lamb hearts, and on the side, a little arugula salad with chopped malted balls.
And next, we have Chef Mike.
So what I did for you was a bacon-seared lamb with a brown butter and herb pumpkin puree and a little fresh apple on top.
Next, we have Chef Tess.
I had a pan-roasted lamb heart with a little pumpkin pie tart and fried chocolate.
And finally, we have Chef Michael.
I did a braised lamb heart with grilled pie crust and a spiced pumpkin puree.
So, whose dish is on the chopping block? Chef Mike, you have been chopped.
Chef Mike, your pumpkin puree was probably the most delicious thing that we had here from any of the chefs. Unfortunately, you didn't use the malted milk balls whatsoever, and also the pie dough was burnt.
I understand completely. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much.
Chef Mike, thank you.
Thank you very much, Ted.
Chef Maria, Chef Tess, Chef Michael, please open your baskets. And the mandatory ingredients are gummy teeth candy, flour tortillas, huitlacoche, and black chicken. You'll have 30 minutes this time, and the clock starts now.
I know I'm going to sear it with some onions and herbs, just the classic way you cook chicken. Oh, that is gnarly.
I'm making pan-seared black chicken in a ginger broth. I'm making my broth from scratch, but I want to give the judges the whole animal.
I'll make a drunken purple chicken and the purple potatoes. Oh, I'm just so good on time now. I'm gonna really make this happen.
Maria's rolling her tortillas on the cutting board that she butchered the chicken, and she didn't flip the board or clean the board.
Scared.
10, 9, 8,
I'm patting myself on the back.
6.
This is restaurant quality in 30 minutes.
4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. Please step away. Chef Tess, did you find this combination of ingredients frightening?
Terrifying, actually. I pan roasted the black chicken and the wheat chipotle, and there is a pink vampire gummy jus and tortilla crisp.
Next up, Chef Michael.
I prepared a roasted black chicken with pickled carrot noodles and a ricotta creme.
Finally, Chef Mario.
Yes, this is the drunken chicken.
How did it get drunk?
It had quite a lot of brandy.
It did, okay. That'll do it.
Because it was a purple chicken, I thought it goes with the purple potatoes.
Whose dish is on the chopping block? Chef Mario,
Yeah.
you have been chopped.
Maria, you have such incredible integrity and professionalism, as well as real fun and creativity. However, we could not overlook the fact that your tortilla could have been cross-contaminated.
Well, thank you for having me here. It was a great experience.
Thank you so much for sharing your work with us, Chef.
Thank you.
Great
Thank
having
you
you
very
here. Chef Tess, Chef Michael, you've made it to the All Hallows Eve Duel to the Death dessert round. Prepare to be terrified.
Okay.
Please open your baskets. And the mandatory ingredients are kumquats, cheddar pennies,
Oh my God.
dried chipotle chilies, and grasshoppers. You'll have exactly 30 minutes for this course. Time starts now.
I'm making a pan perdue with citrus soup and a spiced chocolate chili sauce.
I decided to make chocolate smothered grasshoppers infused with chipotle. I'm taking some of your chocolate, Michael. I start melting chocolate in the double boiler. I start dicing the chipotle peppers. I feel really good about this.
I see these kumquats. I have sugar going already. Throw them in there. Let's make a caramel. Try to mask this flavor of this chili sauce.
1 minute left, chefs. We are almost at the very end of our Halloween feast.
Basket for basket, this has been one of the toughest days for competing chefs that I've ever seen.
Once I realized I wasn't going to have sorbet, I decided to go with kumquat soup. And I hid a couple of the grasshoppers in the soil.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. Please step away.
Whoa!
Chef Michael, how'd you do?
It was difficult. In front of you, have a pan perdue with a chocolate chili sauce and citrus mascarpone.
Chef Tess.
I'm really proud of this dish. What I have is cheddar chocolate soil, kumquat salad with basil, and chipotle grasshopper sauce.
So, whose dish is on the chopping block?
Thank you.
Chef Tess,
Yeah,
you've been chopped.
I understand. I get it.
Chef Tess, we felt that in your first course you did such a great thing with your malted milk ball, but there was no harmony with the other elements on the dish. And when you finally showed us your creativity, it was lacking sweetness. So we had to chop you, but it was a pleasure having you here today.
Oh, it's a pleasure being here. Thank you so much.
And that means, Chef Michael, that you are the chopped champion. And you need to make room in your Halloween goodie bag for $10,000.
Sweet, man. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Thank you. It was a lot of fun. It wasn't easy.
You showed us a lot of techniques and a lot of different things, and we really saw and recognized how much work you were putting in.
Thank you.